This is Chatty Daddy 1 coming at you tonight, and I'd like to take another little trip to the sun with you. If you'd come along with me, it'd be great. Alright, let's go up here and see what's going on with that one. Oh, y'all, I think we saw our little friend again. I sure do. Let's slow her down here. Reverse. Wow, there it is, you guys. There they are. 2, 4, 6. There's that solar train. I was communicating with Body Immortal, and he was mentioning to me that he had read that the sun was a portal to the center of the earth and to other places. And you know, when I see things like this, you know, it really makes me I can believe that. The stuff that I've seen on here, it just blows my mind. I've never seen such stuff. You know, it's amazing. And, you know, that picture of the giant craft that BP Oil Disaster has is just amazing. It is one of the coolest, most awesome captures of a huge UFO I've ever seen, besides the one that I caught here with you guys. But that's pretty neat. Where's it at? There is just all kinds of stuff flying around the sun. Seems like they're going in and out. There it went. There it went. Seemed like there was something right behind it too. Coming at a diagonal right here. Yep. Those 3 things coming across. That seemed like a whole fleet. Yeah, a whole bunch coming down there. Did y'all see that? Let's step that back. Go forward. Let's step it. There went our friends. I don't know what that's about. The blackout on us. There they are. There they went right there, y'all. Check it out. It should be coming down this way. There they are. There's the other one coming out. Maybe it's coming out after him. Who knows? That's just a trip. That is a trip. There it went, and there they went. Wow, that's cool. That's majorly cool. That's a huge explosion from the sun there. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's check this out. See what's happening there. Boy, that's pouring off some major... Wow, look at how far that thing shoots out. All the way down. Wow, that thing must be... I'll bet you that's probably 1,000,000 miles right there. Well, I don't know about that, but I'll bet you it's 100,000 miles. It's huge. Shoot, it might be 1,000,000 miles. And shooting up this way too. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, let's check out B on that one. Because usually I find interesting stuff on that red one. Oh, wow. That immediately starts out with an explosion. Boom. I'll tell you what. Wow. This here? That almost looks like that Hercolobules system. If it had one here and one here, and a dark mass in the middle, it'd be a dead ringer for Hercolobules. Wow. And it may be, there just may not be showing up bright. These two right here. Wow. That is amazing explosion right there, though. That is just tremendous. Tremendous. Huge. And it seems like it lights these three up. And makes this one glow, too. Wow. Alright, let's go back here to the... Let's check out old Blue Boy here. The blue bonnet. Blue bonnet. Oh, and the Earth and Jupiter. Look at there. I think that's supposed to be what Common Elenin was. And here's that massive, mean stuff that somebody was talking about. I don't know if that's truly it or what. I've heard other people say it's the Pleiades, though. I don't know who's right, but it's very interesting. Ain't no use arguing about it. I'm not a professional, if y'all can't tell. If I was, I wouldn't be making YouTubes of it. I'd be probably covering this stuff up with the rest of them. Can you believe that? All the stuff they cover up? Unreal. Yeah, we really appreciate that. Okay, those three. Wow, it catches 4 planets. They look like they're almost lined up, too. Not much on that one. Let's look at high 2. And a black and white. Or, yeah, you know what I mean. Alright. Our little streaming buddy's back. See that fish tailing? It's like that tail is like swimming. And that's the Earth right there. Of According to that other one, that's what it is anyway. Interesting. And this thing has maintained the same spot for several days. We've been watching it, but it's maintained itself. Let's go to B, the other side. Go around the other side of the mountain. Look at there. We got our friends again that they disappeared on us. And maybe common element that looks huge, whatever it is. And our little winking star again. That's weird how that thing winks in and out. That is bizarre. But yep, there's that cluster. The same old things. Yep, that's here, y'all. There it is there. There's the cluster. And our winking buddy is not winking in this one. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I'll tell you what, I enjoy doing this. I thank every one of you who come and check this stuff out with me and share these experiences with me. It wouldn't be no fun without somebody to share with. And I thank you. And I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope that everybody's got some food storage and some water storage and soap and shampoo, pots, pans, stuff to purify water with, bleach, the old 7 t-shirt thing, plus boiling it, and amongst other things. If you can get yourself some colloidal silver, I would definitely say that that's one of the best antibiotics you can get. I've known it with myself. I've cured pink eye with it, and I've cured strep throat, and I've cured a lot of other things. But it's some good stuff. If you know anybody who has a colloidal silver generator, have them make you up a batch. I have a generator myself, and I make it myself. And if anybody wants any, just get a hold of me, and I'll give you further details on it. But I make mine quite stronger than the stores do. Mine's probably got about 30 particles per million, 30 to 50. And I use 100 or 999.9 fine silver in all of my silver to make it with. But anyhow, this has been interesting. Another trip to the sun. And I thank y'all. Y'all have a wonderful night. God bless and good luck. This is Chatty Daddy 1, over and out, signing off.